In North Carolina, in the city of Liberty, Toyota is manufacturing a huge battery manufacturing plant, and this plant is under construction right now, and they are planning to start manufacturing from 2025. That means they are getting a lot of employees who will start working in this manufacturing site and will be looking for houses in the nearby area. In this video, I am going to show you 5 new construction houses which are currently available for people who want to live in and around the area with a new house, brand new construction, and we'll go through all of them one by one. So to start with, the first one in the list is a new construction in a subdivision called Verona. So this is a 5-bed, 4-bath new construction from Eastwood Homes in the city of Burlington, which is about 12 to 15 miles from the manufacturing site, and the total area is about 3,600 for this new construction house. As you can see in the pictures, looks a very nice house in terms of the construction quality, and see the pictures of the main living area, the dining area, kitchen, and the bedrooms and the bathrooms. The model home is available. The house is currently listed for $535,500, and it is available in the market from last 17 days as of today, February 22nd, 2024. If you are looking for new construction houses and want to know a little bit more about the buyer discount from the realtor, reach out to me and I can schedule a showing for this house or any other houses that you are seeing in this particular presentation. Now, moving on to the next house. The next new construction is in the city of Whitsett, which is very close to the previous location as well, about again less than 15 miles from the manufacturing site. And this house is a 4-bed, 3-bath new construction in the next to the NC Highway 61, and this is a new construction by a company called Starlight Construction. Looks like it's a local construction company, and based on the pictures that they have posted, there is interior pictures. There are a few interior pictures which shows the construction quality, hardwood floors and stainless steel appliances with the countertop in the kitchen with pendant lights and decent shaped patio, electric oven and cooking range, and stainless steel microwave. Construction quality looks decent with plenty of natural lights, as you can see in the pictures. Feel free to get back to me if you are interested to visit one of these and see if that helps you in your search for a new home in this community. Moving on to the next one, we have this community in Graham, which is again less than 15 miles from the manufacturing site, and this house is a 3-bed, 2-bath, about 1900 square foot area, and it is being offered at $455,000. It's a new construction, and it is a traditional style builder named as J. Carter Builders. Again, these seems to be a local builder in the area, and based on the pictures you can see the hardwood floors with granite counter for the kitchen, and seems to be quite spacious with a lot of natural light. It has stainless steel cooking range, oven with microwave, dishwasher. Everything is on the single level with washer dryer hookup and general fitting. It has a decent shaped, decent sized backyard with a concrete patio. It's a single level house and has quite a large backyard. So if this interests you, get back to me and we can schedule a showing for this house. Alright, moving on to the next construction. This is in Greensboro, and this community is still getting developed. The address is Penley Trail in Greensboro. This new house is in the market from last 70 to 80 days, and it is offered at $428,000. This is a 5-bed, 3-bath, 2-story building with 2 attached car garage. And as you can see in the pictures, it has a brick front and vinyl sidings, hardwood floors, and you can see that it has a spacious living area and the dining area, and kitchen countertop also seems to be very beautiful. Quartz and nice backsplash with high quality cabinets. The cooking range is not yet placed, but it will be most likely. The fireplace is there in the living area, and it has a decent size common area for entertainment and large size master suite with a dual vanity and a tub shower with standing shower. If this construction looks interesting to you, this is about 3,300 square foot area, and it falls under Southern School District in Guilford County. Get back to me if you are interested on this property. Alright, moving on to the next one. The next property is in the subdivision called McKintosh on the Lake. This is in Burlington, and it has 4-bed, 2.5 bath. It's there in the market from last 7 days, and the listing price is $383,000. So it's below $400,000 mark. And this new construction is from Whitsett Builders, who are a local builder, but they have a good number of buildings and constructions in the area. So the builders are quite reputed here, and the house pictures are still under construction. So you can see in the pictures. Again, feel free to get back if you are interested in this one, because this is a new community and houses are currently available for less than $400,000 mark. So it may not last a very long time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And if you want, you can schedule some time with me on my calendar. The link is below in the description. Thanks, and have a good rest of your day.